Cast News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, we saw some rain this morning, nothing like the Pacific Northwest saw, just around 1/4 of an inch of rain in most places. Newton and Jasper County with some few thunderstorms that went through, they saw around 1/2 an inch of rain. So really not too much. That all moved out right a little bit after the lunch hour. So overall, it was a nice end to your Sunday, just a pretty rainy, pesky start to it. But we're looking out here to the west. You see not a lot of wet conditions. You see some clouds here. Those should move in overnight into the early parts of the morning, but we'll be left with clear skies as we work our way throughout tomorrow. We'll see mostly clear skies. Same with Tuesday. Won't be until Wednesday, Thursday that we start to see some more of that rain come back as another cold front pushes through. Right now, though, we're sitting pretty comfortable. Temperatures in those upper 60s, 68 degrees is what we're sitting at. We have mostly clear skies right now, but those skies will flutter in with some clouds as we move throughout the overnight hours. Right now, the winds, they're out of the south, 5 to 10 miles per hour. That southerly flow is really going to help heat up our temperatures here over the next few days. It's going to be very comfortable as we head to start off the work week. Here's Futurecast. Futurecast throwing in a little too many clouds, I think, but still clouds moving in overnight. By the time you wake up, though, expect mostly clear skies, maybe a few clouds, but it's going to be dry, not a whole lot going on to start off your morning. We're going to stick around that 68 degree temperature all throughout the overnight hours, staying comfortable in those winds, still staying out of the south about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Upper 70s all throughout the morning. Not going to be any problems going to work, getting on the school bus. Going to be very pleasant out there. Futurecast for the first part of the day. You see those clear skies really starting to come into effect. There may be some high-level clouds before the lunch hour. Once we get past the lunch hour, though, it's looking to be really nice. So we'll throw in the partly cloudy skies for the first part of the morning. Once we get to the lunch hour, temperatures heat up into the low 70s, mostly clear skies. With those temperatures warming up, those wind speeds are also going to pick up. We'll say southwest 10 to 15 miles per hour. 15 to 20 miles per hour by the time we get to 5 o'clock. Could see wind gusts up to 30, maybe even 35 miles per hour. Going to be a very gusty start to the work week and warm. Temperatures in the 80s here as we work our way through the middle part of October. Going to be very warm, very above average for this time of the year. Futurecast for the rest of the day. There you see those clouds really start to break up, looking at mostly clear skies as we head into the afternoon hours for your Monday. Temperatures all around the area in these low to mid 80s to start off. 83 degrees in Kokomo, also 83 degrees in Chalmers and Remington, 83 degrees in Kentland as well. You get 84 degrees here in West Lafayette, Attica, and Covington, but nobody in that 85 degree range. Everybody will stick around 82, 83, and 84. So a very nice next 2 days, a pair of 80s, 84 and 81. Look at that, nearly 20 degrees above average tomorrow. Still in the 80s on Tuesday. Wednesday, that's when that next cold front starts to move in. Temperatures dropping down to the 70s. Wednesday, 73. We go to the 70s, then we go to the 60s. We're not going to stop there, going to the 50s by the time we get to Friday. Going to throw in quite a few rain chances as well as we work our way throughout the work week. So it's going to be warm, dry, comfortable, maybe even a little toasty out there to start off the work week. And then we see the comfortable conditions come in, but that rain. So make sure you have that umbrella with you, at least the second half of the work week, because odds are you're going to need it at least one point or time during those last few days.
I know I complain a lot about the humidity during the summer, but there's nothing worse than being cold and wet at the same time.
Exactly. So I would rather be warm and wet rather than cold and wet.
Well, we're going to have to deal with it anyway.
Yep.
Great, thanks, Cameron.